Brain function and chemistry. The key concept here is that scientists study the functions and chemistry of the brain. There are new techniques to improve our understanding of the brain that have nothing to do with opening up the head. Today, scientists study the brain without surgery. There are 3 common technologies for studying the brain. The first one, CT scans, use X-rays to view structure. MRIs, the second technique, uses magnetic fields and radio waves to view the structure. Finally, PET scans, the third technology, detects activity where glucose is used inside the brain. Changes in brain chemistry can cause illness. Different neurotransmitters relate to different functions. Some stimulate impulses, some prevent impulses. In the central image here, you can see a terminal releasing neurotransmitters that are being caught in the receptors of dendrites of an adjacent neuron. This is a normal synapse. Abnormal level of neurotransmitters can cause illness. Examples of these illnesses are schizophrenia and depression. The bottom image shows 3 PET scans. The far left brain shows a normal person. The middle brain PET scan shows that of a schizophrenic person, and the far right PET scan shows that of a depressed person's brain. Drugs alter brain chemistry. Addiction is the physiological need for a substance. Tolerance occurs when more drug is needed to produce the same effect. Drugs might cause desensitization or sensitization. Desensitization occurs when more neurotransmitters leads to fewer receptors. Sensitization occurs where less neurotransmitters lead to more receptors. To the right, we see 3 images. The top image shows a normal synapse. The middle image shows a desensitized synapse. You can see more neurotransmitters are being released by the synapse or by this terminal. However, there are less receptors on this neuron's dendrite. The bottom picture shows sensitization. Here, there are less neurotransmitters and many receptors. When the amount of neurotransmitter becomes abnormal, the adjacent neuron adapts. Stimulants cause more action potentials. They may increase neurotransmitters in the synapse. They also may decrease removal of neurotransmitters in the synapse. The example here shows the effect of cocaine. On the other hand, depressants cause fewer action potentials. They may produce neurotransmitters that prevent impulses. They may also slow the release of neurotransmitters that generate impulses. In this example, the depressant being used is an opiate receptor, or an opiate.